Whenever you walk into a grocery store, the first things you see are almost always the fresh fruits and vegetables. They are so enticing and colorful, making you want to buy them all. If you think about it, this arrangement is quite flawed. Fruits and vegetables are the most perishable items. They should be the last thing you put in your cart before the checkout. But why do grocery stores place them as the first things you see as you step in? The reason behind this is purely psychological. It's a play on behavioral economics. Fruits and vegetables give you the impression that you're entering a space of health and freshness. The produce aisle is strategically placed to attract your attention and makes you feel good about your purchases. When you feel good, you spend more. This is why the produce section is the most well-lit and enticing section at a store. Now imagine they replace the fresh produce with canned foods as the first thing you see. Your impression will then go from fresh to processed. To some consumers, processed is a huge turnoff. Having it as the first impression might not be the best marketing strategy. In fact, in 2017, researchers from University of Warwick observed that overall sales increased 15% when fruits and vegetables were put near the entrance. The sales increased only 5% when they were put farther towards the back of the store. Now, putting fresh fruits near the entrance is not the only mind game that grocery stores play. Have you ever noticed milk, eggs, or other dairy items are placed as far away from the entrance as possible? The stores know that you come in for these things. As a matter of fact, the dairy section has the highest conversion rate in supermarkets, according to consumer expert and author Paco Underhill. In other words, when people see milk, people buy milk. This is why they intentionally push the dairy section so far back. They want you to stay in the store as long as possible and to walk through every single aisle. Professor David Bell from University of Pennsylvania says, the more time they spend in a store on average, the more things they're going to buy. The other mind game that grocery stores play on you is the shelf layout. It's common knowledge that the second and third shelves from the top are known as the bullseye zone. It's the most effective spot to get consumers' attention because of their eye-level placement. Brands have to pay more to place their products there. But do you know that there's also a bullseye zone for kids? It's located at the lower level to get the kids' attention. Products such as cereal boxes with cartoon characters are generally placed there. Kids have a strong influence when it comes to consumer spending, so targeting kids is another effective mind game that grocery stores play on you and your family. Grocery stores are full of mind games, but that doesn't mean you can't dodge them. Experts suggest that it's good to have a list to know exactly what you need before you step into the store. This way, you won't get distracted while you're there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you in the next video.